Good morning, hope you're all having a wonderful day. I uploaded a video last week and I had a lot of positive feedback and a lot of people requesting more of those styles of videos. So I'm going to bring you along with a few things that I need to do today. Today is Aaron's birthday, so I did bake him a cake last night and today I just need to pop the icing on it and finish that off so we can do that together. Then I also had some leftover Easter eggs, so I wanted to bake some chocolate chip cookies, but instead of using chocolate chips, to use the Easter eggs. And then I just have a little bit of housework to do, pack my orders and bring them to the post office. And in case you're wondering, my earrings, they are Azura jewelry, so they are part of my collection. These ones are in the pink. I have actually sold out in the white, although they should be restocked on the website soon. Okay, so that's the cake done. So now I'm going to get out my ingredients and start doing the cookies. Okay, so I've just finished with the cookies and they are incredible. So if you have some leftover Easter eggs, I would definitely recommend trying this. So I'm just waiting for the second batch to rest and then I'll pop them all together in a container. So I'm just going to do a little bit of housework now. I'm gonna leave this video here. I do hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give this video a like so that I know that you enjoyed it. And if you're watching and you're not yet subscribed, then please do. It would mean so much to me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a beautiful day and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.